We went through a very hard situation when we were homeless and in temporary housing for nearly 2 years. And if it wasn't for the wonderful animal sanctuary, we would have had to rehome our beloved dog. It's a traumatic time already without the knowledge that we could lose a member of our family too. Companion animals are often a source of emotional support, reassurance, and also stability. They may indeed be a lifeline in many people's lives during times of deep trauma. We had to give up the cats or we wouldn't have been given temporary accommodation. It was a real fight to be able to keep the dogs. It was a nightmare. My care coordinator and therapist wrote letters outlining the importance of pets to me, and the council told me to put them in kennels. And they just expect you to cast them aside like they are nothing.